Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael Valencia with LaMacchia Realty. Today I have a special treat just for you. We're going to be getting an exclusive sneak peek of my friend Karen Matluck from Compass listing preview at the Estates of Acqualina in Sunny Isles Beach, and I cannot wait to show it to you. So let me get my friend Karen. Where are you?
I'm right here. Hi, Michael Valencia.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you too.
Nice to meet you. Can't wait to see this unit.
No, we already are best friends because I've seen you so many times already on that
Same
video.
here.
So let me welcome you to the Estates of Acqualina.
It's an amazing property.
The property is incredible. The amenities are to die for. The views are sublime.
And we have floor-to-ceiling windows.
Floor-to-ceiling windows.
That's an amazing view, guys.
And flow through, so you get to see the sunrise and then you get to see the sunset. Also see if there's a shark in the ocean, so if you don't want to go to the ocean.
There's been a few of those lately, so that is amazing.
Whether you like to cook or not, look at this kitchen.
It's amazing.
I mean, I would probably hire a chef.
You have
because
to.
I am just not I don't cook anymore. My kids left and that's it, I'm done. But I would fill this up with caviar.
Wow.
And vodka, mealy. And this is a beautiful, beautiful, amazing, look at this grill. It's also mealy. And you have all these double ovens and this gorgeous piece of art.
So the Estates at Acqualina feature 2 towers. We're currently in the 16th floor of the South Tower. There's 4 pools, over 5,000 square feet, and I cannot thank my friend Karen enough for giving us a sneak peek at her beautiful and elegant listing. Guys, if you're enjoying the content, if you enjoyed this tour, this exclusive sneak peek, don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap that bell for notifications so you guys can be the first to know of any other upcoming home tours. If you want to see any other videos like this, please comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want me to focus on different areas, this was an amazing opportunity. I am so glad I got to meet Karen, and for you guys as well. If you have any questions, all of our information is going to be in the description below. Thank you for watching, and as you guys already know, if you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of the information will be in the description below. My name is Michael Valencia with LaMacchia Realty. This is Living in South Florida.